Daja Hao. Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the Ministry of Education, to Aisho University, and to everyone who contributed for this event. I would say I am very honored to stand here and share with you guys my experience, my journey through the Intense program, which has been one of the most transformative experience for my life. So I first heard about the program at our school, at my college. It was organized by the Intense program itself. And at that time, I wasn't actively looking to go abroad. But something about the values and the goals of the Intense program has catch my attention. It's not just a study program. It's a challenge to grow personally and professionally. That's why I chose to join. For me, it was a opportunity to sharpen my skills, step outside of my comfort zone, and gain international experience, which would push me to become more. One person who helped me to start that path was my first Chinese teacher, which is Cai Lao Shi. Uh, he didn't just teach us the language. He pushed us. He reminded us to become more of ourselves. And because of his support and belief, he made a great impact to us. And because of that, I managed to achieve A2 Chinese level in just 7 months, and now aiming to step into B level. Uh, Before joining the Intense program, I didn't vision myself, or I didn't see myself like working and living in a different country. But this experience changed that. It showed me how big the world really is and how many opportunities and possibilities are out there if we are brave enough to take them. So because of that, I'm forever grateful to everyone that have given me this opportunity. And once again, I am Woot Zhang, John Guillermo Viray, from the Philippines, Kunshan University, studying currently at Kunshan University. I am here to show you guys my deepest gratitude. Thank you very much. 谢谢大家。
谢谢，谢谢吴同学。